Hi students, welcome to Karthik Chemistry channel. Today I want to show you some properties of plastics and engineering applications of plastics. So what are the properties of plastics? Properties of plastics. These are some properties of plastics. So the first one is plastics are light in weight, lightness in weight. So we find so many applications of plastic. Nowadays we are using plastic in everywhere, so because of lightness in weight. And then plastics have good thermal and electrical insulation. They have good thermal and electrical insulation. Plastics are very good insulators, so that is why they are used in electrical materials. And plastics are not corroded. Plastics have very good corrosion resistance. They have low melting point and high refractive index. Low melting point. Plastics have low melting point and high refractive index. So the fabrication cost of plastic materials can be very less. Okay, the fabrication of plastic material is very easy. Molding fabrication means shaping of an article by the application of heat and pressure. So the fabrication cost is very less. We can convert into our desired shaped articles. Okay, plastics are insect resistant. Plastics are insect resistant, so they are not affected by insects, right? They are good resistant to abrasion. Abrasion means scratching resistance. Plastics have low softening points. Low softening point. Plastics have low softening points. Plastics in general have good dimensional stability. Yes, plastics have good dimensional stability. Okay, impermeable to water. So plastics do not absorb water molecules. They have good tensile strength. Plastics have basing on different plastics. So plastics have different tensile strength. So plastics have very good tensile strength, up to 5500 kg per centimeter square, depending on the material. Okay, it may be polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, polyethylene, like HDPE, LDPE. Basing on the material, they have very good tensile strengths. They act as good absorbent of vibrations and sound. They have low maintenance cost and do not require any protective coverings such as paints. Okay, plastics are very good resistant materials. Plastics no need of paints. Plastics do not require any protective coverings because of corrosion resistance. Plastics have low maintenance cost. Okay, so then toughness. Some plastics can be made sort of that is bulletproof plastic. Okay, so they are strong. Bulletproof plastics are strong transparent material which are resistant to penetration of bullets. Okay, so some depending on the material selection, plastics have good toughness, can be made even transparent. Okay, so if you choose glass fiber reinforced plastics, they are transparent. Okay, during compounding, if we add pigments, so we can get different colors for fabricated articles. They have good chemical resistance, and plastic possess excellent in finish. Okay, plastic possess a good glassy finish. So these are the properties of plastics. Okay, these all are the different properties of plastics. And then what are the engineering applications of plastics? These are the engineering applications of plastics. We find so many applications of plastics in different fields. So here I can show some engineering applications of plastics. So plastics find applications in areas like automobiles, defense, electrical and electronics, telecommunications, textiles, computer components, etc. That is for making furniture, for making electrical goods, for making electrical appliances such as plugs, switches, holders, radio and TV cabinets, for making household articles like combs, toys, trays, toilet goods, lenses, films, syringes, etc. For making water tanks and pipes to convey water, oils, gases, chemicals, etc. So these are the different applications of plastics. Okay, for example, polyethylene and polypropylene are used in making houseware, medical equipment, toys, pipelinings, coatings, etc. PVC is used for pipe fitting, adhesives, raincoat, waste paper, baskets, etc. Plastics are used in transport for energy savings. Plastics are widely used in agriculture and medical sector. Plastics are used in making efficient sports equipments like balls used in soccer, sports shoes, tennis rackets, etc. Okay, so these are the engineering applications of plastics. You can write down the notes also. So these are the engineering applications of plastics, and these are the properties of plastics. Properties of plastics and engineering applications of plastics. Thank you, students.